Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute rustic Christmas star. So you're going to need 5 of the 5-gallon paint stirrers from Lowe's. These are very inexpensive, and I believe they come in a pack of 3 for $1. The Merry and Bright sign from Dollar Tree. I made a bow out of some plaid ribbon that I had, just a simple bow. A pick from Walmart. Some of the brown wax and some red chalk paint. And the color of the chalk paint is Imperial. The first thing you're going to do is stain all 5 of your paint sticks. And I stain front and back sides and all the edges. And I'm just wiping it on and then wiping it back off. Once you have them all stained, you can set them aside and let them dry. And then you can start painting your Merry and Bright sign, and I painted that with the Imperial red chalk paint. Now that everything's painted and stained, I placed my paint stirrers in a star shape, and then I'm just going to start hot gluing at all of the points. So I just hot glued each point, held in place until it was fully dry and secure. I'm just using hot glue. You can use a mixture of both hot glue and wood glue. It would probably hold much better. You can also use clamps to hold each one of the points. They sell those little clamps at Dollar Tree, and those work fantastic for this. While it was drying, I did end up putting a couple of the clamps on to hold it while it dried. Once the star was all secure and held together, I took my Merry and Bright sign and I'm going to hot glue that right to the center of the star. I'm kind of estimating where I need to put the hot glue, and then I'm going to push it down into place. And I love the contrast of the red off of the darker wood. It's just so pretty. Once that's all secure, we're going to take our pick from Walmart, and I just cut off most of the end of it, and then I'm going to put a big pile of hot glue at the very top of the star and hold my pick in place until it's secure. Once my pick was on there securely, I took my bow and I hot glued that right on top of the end of the pick where you could see that I had cut it. And I just added some more hot glue and popped my bow on there. I think this turned out amazing. I absolutely love it. I love the rustic look of it. I think that this is probably another one of my favorite projects. I hope this inspires you guys to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.